I've heard that you lot know how to eat healthy, but are you actually doing it?
Good question, and actually 85% of people think they could eat healthier.
That's why we've come up with some simple food hacks to get you back in the kitchen cooking up a storm.
Salt and sugar is absolutely fine to include in the diet in small amounts. However, many of us don't actually know what the maximum recommended amount is, and for this reason, we can end up eating too much. As an alternative to sugar, you could try using dried fruits or root vegetables or even red pepper to add natural sweetness, but also add fibre, vitamins and minerals. You don't need to overly rely on salt when you're cooking. You could try using herbs and spices such as paprika, rosemary or mint instead. Alternatively, you could try adding a squeeze of lemon or lime, which helps to bring out the natural flavours of the meal. Most of us know that we should be eating plenty of fruits and vegetables for our health. However, 63% of people said that they were eating them less than 5 times a week. There are so many ways to get 5 a day into your diet. For example, you could try adding extra vegetables such as grated carrot to pasta sauces and curries. Or try adding extra veg or salad to your meal. This is a really great way to get the whole family and even young children eating extra veggies. And finally, time pressures mean it can be really tempting to rely on ready meals or convenience foods. In fact, 44% of Brits say that they do rely on these for time and convenience reasons. However, we've put together a delicious, creamy chicken, pesto and spinach pasta in just 10 minutes.
Unfortunately, lack of confidence and inspiration in the kitchen are stopping people from cooking healthy home-cooked food. But as you can see, there's loads of simple, quick ideas to keep things fun, fast and get you back in the kitchen cooking up a storm.